Tonight we heard Governor Eric Holcomb deliver his annual State of the State address, and there was a lot to unpack tonight. Our Emily Longnecker takes a look into the top headlines impacting Hoosiers.
Despite living through a global pandemic for nearly the past 2 years, in his State of the State address, Governor Eric Holcomb called Hoosiers resilient, saying they had a spirit that could not be broken. The governor went on to give a progress report of sorts on the economy, education, and COVID, also integrating some of his proposals for the upcoming year. The governor touted Indiana as a state where families want to live and new businesses want to invest, pointing to a fiscal year that closed with extra cash and an unemployment rate of 3%. The lowest, he said, in 21 years.
We saw 29 headquarters plant their flag in Indiana, both homegrown startups and out-of-state relocations.
Holcomb cited historic investments in education thanks to the budget passed last session, saying those investments were already paying off.
More than 85% of school corporations have raised teacher base salaries by an average of nearly $1,800 in the 2020-2021 school year. And 99% are expected to raise salaries in the current school year.
The governor also announced measures to help students who fell behind during the pandemic, including a new dashboard to track how schools are doing.
For the first time, parents, community leaders, and school corporations themselves can have easy public access to robust data regarding their school performance.
Turning to Hoosiers' health, Governor Holcomb also said it needed to improve, explaining Indiana ranks 46th in obesity and smoking and 40th in childhood immunizations. And when it comes to the COVID vaccine, the governor thanked the more than 3.5 million Hoosiers who got their shots, saying they're a big reason hospitals haven't collapsed.
If you haven't been vaccinated, I encourage, I plead, I beg of you to speak to your doctor and do so. I say this even if you've disagreed with every position I've taken, because I want us both to be around to continue to have those disagreements.
And tonight, the governor also thanked healthcare workers for their tireless efforts during this pandemic. We've got a breakdown of the governor's full speech posted right now. You can find it on WTHR.com.